Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add token on Phantom wallet using contract address. So basically the process is simple. Make sure to watch the video till the end and after that you will be able to do it. So make sure to open this application called Phantom. So after that, once you open the application, you will be seeing this kind of interface. Let it load. It will take a few seconds, so do not worry. And once you're on the home section of this application, like you will be seeing this kind of interface, like all the Solana, Ethereum, like all the coins that are available. So make sure to scroll up, and let's say that you want to transfer from two accounts, like between two accounts. So on the first account from where you want to receive, just click on receive, and from here just choose the coin that you want to receive. Let's say for me that is Solana, so click on Solana, and after that just copy the address. And once you just copy the address, just go back to your second account from where you want to transfer Solana to this account. So on the second account, just click on the send button, and once you click on the send button, choose the coin like Solana, and from here simply paste down the token address. Like just click on it, click on paste, and click on next. And once you click on next, as you can see, they're asking like to write down the amount of Solana coins. Let's say you want to send like 20 or something like that, or let's say you want to send one. That is your choice. And after that, click on next, and you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add token on Phantom wallet using contract address.